Hello guys, welcome back to our channel with other new topic. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Skill for Career. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable hardware virtualization in your system or laptop. In the last video, as I told you, I'll be covering my next video on Ubuntu installation. But before installing Ubuntu, I would like to show you the proper setup to install Ubuntu. Let's dive into the video to enable hardware virtualization. First and foremostly, we'll check whether it's enabled or disabled. To check that, let me minimize my screen. On the taskbar, right click and choose the option task manager. Now get into the performance tab where we can see whether our hardware virtualization is enabled or not. In my laptop it's enabled. If you see disable in your system or laptop, follow the steps which I am guiding you how to enable the hardware virtualization in your Windows PC. I will show the two methods to enable it. If first method doesn't work for some reason, make sure to check out the second method. There are two ways to open BIOS settings. Let's check first method. Click on the start button, then power button, and hold your left shift key and click restart. This will lead you to the blue screen menu. Now click on the troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now get into the UEFI firm settings. Now just tap on restart. This is the BIOS menu. Now I'll get into the advanced tab. I'll select CPU configuration. In the CPU configuration at the bottom you could see Intel virtualization technology. So mine is enabled. So if you see over here disabled, just click on the, if it been disabled you can select enable. Okay, so I'll just press enter. To get back the previous menu, press escape key. So I didn't make any changes, so I'll just press S. As you can see, my laptop is restarting. So this is the first method to enable BIOS settings. Now let's see second method. Now we'll see second method. If the first method doesn't work, make sure you check the second method. Now we'll see second method. In the first method, if you didn't find UEFI settings in your PC, don't panic. The second method works to open BIOS menu. So for that, open your browser. Now different motherboards have different keys to open BIOS settings. I have Chewy's motherboard, so I will search for Chewy's BIOS key. As you can see, mine is F7 over here, but you might have different motherboard and keys to open BIOS settings. So you can Google it. Now you restart the PC, and as soon as it shutdowns, keep pressing the BIOS key. So I'm shutdowning my system, and I'm pressing the F7 key continuously, as you can see. Now click on the troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now get into the UEFI firm settings. Now just tap on restart. This is the BIOS menu. Now I'll get into the advanced tab. I'll select CPU configuration. In the CPU configuration at the bottom you could see Intel virtualization technology. So mine is enabled. So if you see over here disabled, just click on the, if it been disabled you can select enable. Okay, so I'll just press enter. To get back the previous menu, press escape key. So I didn't make any changes, so I'll just press S. As you can see, my laptop is restarting. Even though I use BIOS key to open the blue screen menu, the on-screen instructions would be the same as the first method. So I just repeated the same clip for the second method also. Your BIOS menu will definitely look different than this if you're not using Chewy's motherboard. The part to enable virtualization will also be different. In some pieces, it's also known as SVM mode. You can explore the BIOS menu and search for it. This is how you enable hardware virtualization on your PC or laptop. So in the next video, I'll be showing how to download and install ISO file of Ubuntu. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out the latest skill for career contents. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. You are signing off, Michael.